triple story building wiring and distribution DBs started.
Air condition room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4, and room number 1 lighting, room number 2 lighting, room number 3 lighting, room number 4 lighting. This lighting connection, and this is socket connections. 16 ampere breaker, 1 room, 2 room, 1 breaker, 2 room, 1 breaker, 1 is a corridor breakers, and bathroom and geyser use this breakers. This is a 1 story is a distribution boards,
And second story distribution board, same this work, same breaker, same all things,
building wiring,
same fitting,
main
accessory,
distribution panel.
all setting.
20 ampere, 20 ampere, 20 ampere. This is a 63 ampere. This main breakers, and single pole breakers 16 ampere, 16 ampere, and power sockets, and room breakers, neutral. This is the main supply, 16 mm. This building wiring is a 4 AC, 12,000 BTU. Use the 20 ampere of the breakers, and control wiring and socket connection. Use the 2 socket, 3 pin and 2 pin socket, and use this 1 switch, 2 lights, 40 watts, dormitory, corridor, 2 lamps, installing the socket, 1 3 pin, 1 3 pin and 1 2 pins. I'll install the sockets. One building 12 rooms and 12 AC, and different room is a 6 socket, 1 switchboards. All this making telephone, internet sockets, this is a telephone and intercom, internet sockets, 1 here internet socket, this is a 1 socket, and 2 pin 3 pin sockets. Connected the socket. This is a face, red and black neutral. Again another socket looping. This wire came to here box. After fix here, 1 here face, 1 here neutrals. Link these sockets.